Biology MCQs Chapter 2 Movement of Substances Quiz 3. The diagram shows four agar blocks that were placed in a dish and covered with the solution of a colored stain. Which block has the largest surface area to volume ratio and so will be completely stained most rapidly? A, B, C, D. Option A is the correct answer. Four identical pieces of potato are treated in two stages as shown. Which piece of potato will be the largest after 2 hours? Stage 1, Stage 2. Boiled in water for 10 minutes, placed in 10% salt solution for 2 hours. Boiled in water for 10 minutes, placed in distilled water for 2 hours. Unboiled, placed in 10% salt solution for 2 hours. Unboiled, placed in distilled water for 2 hours. Option D, unboiled, placed in distilled water for 2 hours is the correct answer. A cube of fresh potato was baked and then placed in a test tube containing a dilute solution of sucrose. After a day, its mass had increased. Which process had occurred and what had happened to the concentration of the solution in the test tube? Process, solution concentration. Active transport increased. Active transport decreased. Osmosis decreased. Osmosis increased. Option D, osmosis increased is the correct answer. The diagram shows two plant cells X and Y. Cell X has a higher water potential than cell Y. In which direction and by what process will water move between these two cells? Direction, process. X to Y, active transport. X to Y, osmosis. Y to X, active transport. Y to X, osmosis. Option B, X to Y, osmosis is the correct answer. Four strips are cut from a fresh potato. The length of each strip is measured. One strip is placed in water, the others in different concentrations of sugar solution. After an hour, the strips are measured again. The result is shown in the table. Which liquid is water? Original length of strip millimeters. Final length of strip millimeters. 75, 75. 78, 85, 82, 80, 86, 87. Option B, 78, 85 is the correct answer. The diagram shows a group of body cells surrounded by tissue fluid. Which condition ensure that body cells take in water? Concentration of tissue fluid, concentration of cytoplasm in body cells. High, 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 low, low, high, low, low. Option C, low, high is the correct answer. The diagram shows a root hair cell Z and two root cells X and Y. How do magnesium ions and water molecules move from Z to Y and Y to X? Movement of magnesium ions, movement of water molecules. Z to Y, Y to X, Z to Y, Y to X. Active transport, active transport, active transport, active transport. Active transport, diffusion, active transport, osmosis. Diffusion, active transport, osmosis, active transport. Diffusion, diffusion, osmosis, osmosis. Option D, diffusion, diffusion, osmosis, osmosis is the correct answer. The diagram shows the apparatus used to investigate osmosis. After 4 hours, which changes in levels will occur and which molecules will move across the membrane? Level 1, Level 2 molecules. Fall, rise, sugar. Fall, rise, water. Rise, fall, sugar. Rise, fall, water. Option D, rise, fall, water is the correct answer. The diagram shows a cell in solution X and the same cell after it had been in solution Y for 20 minutes. What caused the change and what caused the relative water potential of solution Y to solution X? Change caused by water diffusion. Water potential of solution Y to solution X. In higher, in lower, out higher, out lower. Option D, out lower is the correct answer. The diagram shows an experiment using a partially permeable membrane. What is the name of the process responsible for the movement of reducing sugar molecules into the surrounding water? Absorption, active transport, diffusion, osmosis. Option C, diffusion is the correct answer. For more videos, keep watching our YouTube channel. To practice more quizzes, visit our website mcq.com.